Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tasty garlic pickle. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of fresh garlic cloves, peeled and ready. Also, prepare 150 milliliters of a good quality oil, like mustard or sesame. Don't forget your key spices: red chili powder, turmeric, fenugreek seeds, and a touch of asafoetida. Finally, have 50 milliliters of vinegar or lemon juice on hand for that perfect tang and preservation. Now, let's get our garlic ready. After peeling about 250 grams of fresh garlic cloves, give them a gentle crush. This helps release their wonderful aromatic oils, enhancing the pickle's flavor. Remember, hygiene is key. Make sure all your cooking utensils and the jar you'll use are perfectly clean and completely dry. This prevents any unwanted spoilage and ensures your pickle stays delicious for months. It's time to cook. Heat about 150 milliliters of your chosen oil in a pan until it's smoking hot. Carefully add a teaspoon each of mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds, along with a pinch of asafoetida. Once they splutter, add your crushed garlic. Sauté until it turns a beautiful light golden brown. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste, cooking for about 2 minutes. Almost done. Now, pour in about 50 milliliters of vinegar or lemon juice. This adds a lovely tang and helps with preservation. Continue cooking for another 5 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together. Once it's done, let the pickle cool down completely to room temperature. Finally, transfer your delicious garlic pickle into a clean, sterile jar. Store it in a cool, dark place, and it will stay fresh for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.